Crack the Code is back and better than ever. And this time, you can win $1 million.
$1 million.
Here's how to play. To qualify, earn 10 reward points in a day and earn 1 attempt to crack the code. Earn 20 in a day and earn 2 attempts. Earn 30 and earn 3 attempts. The more attempts, the more chances to win. Reward points are earned by wagering $3 or more in lottery or playing $20 or more in casino. Remember, level 1 starts at 7 digits worth $1 million. If no one cracks the code in 3 days, a digit is revealed and the jackpot drops to $250,000 and so on. So do you want to be a millionaire?
$1 million.
Play Crack the Code today at Island Luck and Ultra Games. 1 code, 2 companies. Log on to islandluck.com or ultragames.com for more information. Island Luck and Ultra Games remind you that it's only a game, so game responsibly.